Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your main wallet dashboard with your assets displayed. Step 2. Look at the top of your screen where you'll find the Network Selector button. It usually shows the current network you're connected to, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Tap on this button to open the network menu. Step 3. Once you tap the network button, you'll see a list of all available networks that Trust Wallet supports. This includes popular chains like Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and many others. Take your time scrolling through to find the network you want to switch to. Step 4. Select your desired network by tapping on it from the list. The app will automatically switch your wallet to that network, and you'll see the change reflected on your dashboard within seconds. Step 5. Verify the change by checking the network indicator at the top of your screen. Make sure it now displays the correct network you selected, and you can now view your assets and make transactions on that specific blockchain.